Shiba Inu, I want to share with you something I'm on Shiba Inu that I thought was really, really interesting. It was this article right here where the CEO of Binance actually came out and was praising Shiba Inu while responding to Pepe. Now, this is not a slam against Pepe per se, but this is the CZ, who is the CEO of Binance, came out and was on an AMA, which stands for Ask Me Anything, which is kind of a like a kind of like a live stream session where he was talking about a lot of different things. And Shiba Inu came up, and there was some questions related to kind of Pepe. And so he had some CZ, who is again the Binance CEO, had some good things to say about Shiba Inu. I'm going to remind you that Shiba Inu, as far as Binance is concerned, moved out of this was about a month or so ago. Binance moved Shiba Inu basically kind of out of their high risk section, high risk section, and made it kind of a formal announcement that that Shiba Inu had kind of arrived. Air quotes are intended. Binance, I can't remember what it's called. Binance kind of has the section inside of their exchange for kind of new cryptos and kind of what they deem as to be riskier and things of this nature. So about a month or so ago, they officially acknowledged and moved SHIB out of that section or that classification, if you will. And now, just said, hey, it's out. We're good. We love SHIB and all that kind of stuff. On another note, I don't know if you know this, is that Innovation Zone. Thank you. Is that on another note, Binance is the single largest holder of Shiba Inu. I don't know if you know that, which makes sense, right? They are the largest centralized exchange in the world. So, but Binance is the single largest holder of SHIB. Sorry, my allergies continue just to wreck my world here. So let's see. So, like I said, CZ was expressed his approval for Shiba Inu over Pepe, despite Pepe moving up 38,000%. Now, this goes back to something I've said a lot. This is nothing against Pepe, but Pepe is a brand new emerging meme coin with self-admittedly no utility, just kind of a fun thing. And then you've got Shiba Inu. It's been around since August of 2020. It's withstood a couple of major bear runs, massive utility. From a SHIB standpoint, we've got Layer 2 blockchain, metaverse coming, game out there. Got a swap. There's one I'm forgetting. Oh, massively successful NFT drop from Shiba Inu, all that kind of utility, and oh, by the way, massive 1.3 million plus holders on the DEX side, the SHIB army. Okay. So this is kind of CZ talking about Pepe says we actually have strict policies that even if we're talking with a project team, we forbid them disclosing anything about listings, etc. So this was somebody asking about, is Pepe going to be listed on exchanges, things like on Binance and stuff like that. I know that Pepe's been listed on a couple of them, but again, the point I'm really highlighting here is that the Binance is coming out and giving some positive press to SHIB, which is a really good thing. I like that that has come out, if you will, in that regard.